Ooh, wow! That's my favorite! It's my favorite. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, Guardian. I love that. And the gummy hearts too, and the dino riding riding a motorcycle. This is Spark Rider. I like it. Thank you so much. I'm so full. Thank you so much, love Guardian. Guardian. Oh my gosh. I think I'm not able to find any dog anymore. Wanted to find a dog for my brother. But then, the cheap ones that I know that were selling dogs, they are not using their account anymore. So I cannot find any of their accounts now. Dogs is very expensive here. I only afford 1,500 pesos. Sante, hello. So I'm trying to find, even if it's crossbred or something. Hi, hello. Thank you, John. Salamat. Salamat. Salamat po. Juan. Juana Maritadjo. Juana Maritadjo. I hope she's still sending those. Please, please, please. I can't see any. Hi, Rod. Oh, look on Facebook on yeah, I am finding to I am trying to find one because our dog died. Our dog died. And then my brother is really stressed. He's been crying and crying and crying. My gosh, my brother is 27 years old now. But he loves that dog so much. And he messaged me and then told me to find a dog we can adopt or we can buy. But I cannot find some. I know someone who are selling dogs. And it's very cheap because some of the breeders would sell the dogs really, really expensive. Like for like 5,000 and so. I only afford 1.5. 1.5 pesos. Or maybe we can just adopt because I don't have a budget right now. Thank you for the suggestion, Arjun. Do you love dogs too? Do you love dogs too? Hello, hello, hello. I am, we are all dog lovers here. No, we're all dog lover here. And we have 4 dogs and 5 cats. And then the other one died. The youngest one. We adopted that dog from somewhere here in our barangay. And the dog is like Aspin, Asong Pinoy from the Philippines, of course. Asong Pinoy. Hi, Jim once. I think I found one. Doesn't have a in the account. His account is locked. April 20. I thought I found one already. But it's a prank. It's a prank. How are you, guardian? Ah, that's so